What doctors don't tell you about managing Parkinson's disease? What if I told you that managing Parkinson's disease could be more than just taking medication and following conventional treatments? Many doctors may not mention the hidden aspects that could drastically improve your quality of life. Parkinson's disease is often treated through medication and therapy, but there's a lot more you can do to manage it on a deeper level that is not commonly discussed. What if small lifestyle changes could slow its progression or even reduce some symptoms? And what if there were strategies out there that could make a real difference, but they remain under the radar for most people battling this condition? In today's video, we are diving into some crucial aspects of managing Parkinson's disease that you probably won't hear from your doctor. By the end, you'll understand the little-known tricks that could give you a fighting chance against the effects of this neurodegenerative disease. Stick around, because this could change everything for you or a loved one. 8. Understanding the power of exercise. Exercise is often seen as a general way to stay fit, but when it comes to Parkinson's disease, it's much more than that. Research has shown that regular physical activity plays a critical role in managing Parkinson's symptoms. It helps improve motor function, balance, and flexibility while also reducing rigidity and tremors. But not all exercises are created equal, and it's essential to choose activities that benefit your body specifically. Low-impact exercises, such as walking, swimming, or stationary biking, can be excellent choices for people with Parkinson's disease. The best exercises for Parkinson's patients are those that combine strength training, aerobic exercise, and flexibility work. Strength training can help maintain muscle mass and fight the muscle weakness commonly associated with Parkinson's. Aerobic activities, such as walking or dancing, can help keep the cardiovascular system healthy and improve overall stamina, making daily tasks easier to manage. Additionally, exercises that focus on flexibility and stretching can help alleviate the muscle stiffness that often comes with Parkinson's. What's even more exciting is that studies have shown that regular exercise may help slow the progression of Parkinson's disease. It has the potential to preserve motor skills, improve gait, and even protect cognitive function. So, it's not just about staying active, it's about making exercise a crucial part of your daily routine, which can lead to better long-term outcomes. 7. Diet. The hidden weapon in your arsenal. When managing Parkinson's disease, it's easy to overlook the significant role that diet plays. Many individuals with Parkinson's disease experience digestive issues and a slow metabolism, making it even more important to pay attention to the foods you're consuming. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet can play an instrumental role in supporting brain health and minimizing the effects of Parkinson's. Antioxidants, for example, are powerful nutrients that can help protect the brain cells from damage and oxidative stress. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, spinach, and other dark leafy greens, can aid in reducing inflammation in the brain, which is particularly important for those with Parkinson's. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, are known to support brain function and may help improve cognitive health. Fiber is another crucial element to include in your diet. It helps regulate digestion and prevent constipation, a common issue for people with Parkinson's disease. High-fiber foods like whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes can help with bowel movements and provide more energy throughout the day. On the flip side, it's important to be cautious of certain foods that may worsen symptoms. For example, foods high in saturated fats or processed sugars can contribute to inflammation and may negatively impact overall health. By focusing on whole foods, healthy fats, and fiber-rich meals, you can greatly improve your quality of life and make managing Parkinson's disease a little easier. 6. Stress. A major contributor to symptoms. One of the less talked about aspects of managing Parkinson's disease is the connection between stress and the worsening of symptoms. Stress doesn't just affect your mental health, it can also have a significant impact on your body's ability to cope with Parkinson's. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can increase muscle tension, exacerbate tremors, and even contribute to cognitive decline. Managing stress is a crucial yet often overlooked part of living with Parkinson's disease. Practicing stress reduction techniques, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or progressive muscle relaxation, can help you manage anxiety and keep your body in a more balanced, relaxed state. Meditation, in particular, has been shown to reduce the negative effects of stress on the brain and can help lower blood pressure, which is important for individuals with Parkinson's. Another useful technique for reducing stress is mindfulness, which helps you stay present and focused, reducing the worries that can lead to anxiety. Deep breathing exercises or guided imagery can further support relaxation by slowing the heart rate and calming the nervous system. Additionally, engaging in activities that bring you joy, whether that's spending time with loved ones, practicing a hobby, or listening to music, can help release the tension caused by stress and boost your mental well-being. By making stress management a daily habit, you not only alleviate unnecessary strain on your body but also improve your overall ability to handle the symptoms of Parkinson's. Finding ways to stay calm and composed can help maintain better control over the disease, ultimately leading to improved outcomes. 5. Sleep. The missing link in symptom control. Sleep disturbances are one of the most common challenges faced by people living with Parkinson's disease. Whether it's difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or experiencing restless leg syndrome, poor sleep quality can have a significant impact on both physical and mental well-being. Lack of sleep exacerbates fatigue, increases the risk of cognitive decline, and intensifies motor symptoms such as tremors and rigidity. In fact, studies have shown that individuals with Parkinson's disease who experience poor sleep are more likely to have difficulty managing their symptoms during the day. However, there's good news. Improving sleep hygiene can be a game changer. Creating a consistent sleep routine is a powerful strategy for overcoming these challenges. By going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, you can help regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Avoiding caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime is crucial as well, as these can disrupt sleep patterns. Furthermore, it's essential to create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep the bedroom cool, quiet, and dark to signal to your body that it's time to rest. Consider using earplugs, a sleep mask, or a white noise machine if external factors are disturbing your sleep. Establishing a calming pre-sleep routine, such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle relaxation exercises, can also improve sleep quality. The goal is not only to get enough sleep but to improve the quality of your rest, which will allow your body to regenerate and strengthen your immune system, making it easier to manage the symptoms of Parkinson's disease. 4. The role of dopamine-boosting nutrients. Dopamine, a chemical messenger in the brain, plays a key role in Parkinson's disease. The disease itself is characterized by a reduction in dopamine-producing neurons, which leads to the tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with movement that patients experience. While medication can help replenish dopamine levels, there are natural ways to support the production of this important neurotransmitter through diet. Certain nutrients, such as the amino acid tyrosine, play a critical role in dopamine production. Foods rich in tyrosine, like bananas, avocados, and soy products, can provide the building blocks for dopamine synthesis in the brain. Additionally, B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12, are essential for proper brain function and the synthesis of neurotransmitters, including dopamine. Incorporating foods like eggs, leafy greens, and whole grains into your diet can help boost your dopamine levels. Along with tyrosine and B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids are also beneficial for Parkinson's patients. Found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as flax seeds and walnuts, omega-3s support brain health by reducing inflammation and promoting overall neural function. These nutrients don't replace medication, but they can complement conventional treatments and help keep the brain and nervous system functioning at their best. Adding these dopamine-boosting foods to your daily meals can help improve mood, motor function, and cognitive health, giving you an additional layer of support in managing Parkinson's disease. 3. Socializing. More powerful than you think. It's easy to underestimate the importance of social connections when it comes to managing Parkinson's disease. However, maintaining an active social life is not only beneficial for mental health but also for managing physical symptoms. Socializing has been shown to improve brain function, boost mood, and provide emotional support, all of which are essential for individuals living with Parkinson's disease. Isolation is a common issue for many people with Parkinson's disease, as the symptoms can make it difficult to engage in social activities. However, staying connected with family, friends, and support groups can provide a sense of purpose, reduce feelings of loneliness, and enhance emotional resilience. Regular social interactions can help keep the mind sharp, and engaging in meaningful conversations can stimulate cognitive function, improving memory and focus. In addition to cognitive benefits, socializing also provides an opportunity to engage in physical activities, which can help with mobility, balance, and coordination. Whether it's taking a walk with a friend, participating in group exercises, or simply enjoying a meal together, these interactions promote physical movement and contribute to overall well-being. Finding opportunities to interact with others, whether in person or virtually, is crucial for mental and emotional health. The more you engage with the world around you, the more equipped you'll be to handle the challenges of Parkinson's disease. 2. Sleep. The power of napping. While getting a full night's sleep is vital for managing Parkinson's disease, many individuals find that taking short naps throughout the day can be just as important. Parkinson's disease often leads to fatigue, which can make it harder to stay alert and focused during daily activities. Short naps, lasting anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, can help recharge your energy levels and improve cognitive function without disrupting your nighttime sleep schedule. Napping allows your body to rest and recover, helping to combat the fatigue that often comes with Parkinson's disease. It can also improve focus and concentration, making it easier to manage tasks and stay engaged with daily routines. However, it's important to avoid long naps, as they can interfere with your ability to fall asleep at night. Keeping naps brief ensures that you get the rest you need during the day while still maintaining healthy sleep patterns in the evening. To get the most out of your naps, it's important to choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax. Make sure your environment is conducive to sleep: dim lighting, a comfortable chair or bed, and a peaceful atmosphere. Napping can also be a way to reduce stress and clear your mind, preparing you for the next part of the day. By incorporating short naps into your daily routine, you can boost your energy and reduce the impact of Parkinson's disease symptoms. 1. The secret power of a positive mindset. When it comes to managing Parkinson's disease, your mindset can make all the difference. A positive attitude and outlook on life can have a profound impact on the progression of the disease and your ability to cope with its challenges. While Parkinson's disease is a chronic and progressive condition, research has shown that patients with a positive mindset tend to experience slower disease progression and better overall health outcomes. A positive mindset can help reduce stress and anxiety, which in turn can alleviate symptoms such as tremors, rigidity, and mood swings. People who maintain an optimistic outlook are more likely to engage in physical activities, stick with their treatment plans, and take better care of their mental health. This mindset can also improve your relationships with others, as it encourages communication, support, and connection. Incorporating mindfulness practices and focusing on what you can control, whether it's sticking to a healthy routine, staying physically active, or connecting with others, can help foster a positive attitude. Embracing hope and remaining resilient in the face of challenges not only makes managing Parkinson's disease easier, but can also lead to a more fulfilling life. Staying focused on the positive aspects of your life and the progress you make, no matter how small, is the key to keeping a powerful mindset in the fight against Parkinson's disease. Managing Parkinson's disease is undoubtedly challenging, but as we've seen today, there are many lesser-known strategies that can make a real difference in how you live with the condition. From exercise to diet, sleep to social connections, and the power of a positive mindset, each of these elements plays a critical role in maintaining your quality of life. While conventional treatments are important, embracing these lifestyle changes can help slow the progression of Parkinson's disease, improve your physical and mental well-being, and offer a sense of control over the journey. The most important thing to remember is that you are not alone. There are countless ways to manage Parkinson's disease that go beyond the medication prescribed. By taking an active role in your health, seeking support, and making small yet impactful changes, you can live well with Parkinson's, focusing on the things that truly matter to you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on managing Parkinson's disease and improving your overall health. Stay strong, stay positive, and remember, your health is in your hands.